I happened to see. Oh, it was a girl of mine from back a long, long time. She was coming right over to me. Well, I was so happy just to see her there, but my smile turned into a frown when I heard the tall tale that she was putting down. First she started in to tell me about a fella she had met right after she was through with me. He had long blonde hair, he was a millionaire and ran a 500 company. She said she was living in high style in a mansion up in the hills, but one hand was a laundry and the other a big stack of bills. Who now, who do you think you're fooling with that line? Who do you think you're fooling, baby? You must be out of your mind. Somebody got the world right on its knees. You look more like you've been working at the Tasty Freeze. Who do you think you're fooling? Baby, you're only fooling yourself. Next, she told me that she just got her back from the coast. She had a meeting with some people out there. Seems they wanted her to star in a TV show, but she didn't have the time to spare. She wasn't too busy working with the Federal Reserve, giving them advice on what to do. But from my way of thinking, she could use a little advice too. Hey now, who do you think you're fooling with that song? Oh, who do you think you're fooling, baby? Your story seems all wrong. You see, if things was really going just the way you say, you wouldn't have to talk about it night and day. Who do you think you're fooling? Baby, you're only fooling yourself. So I said, hey girl, do I look like a fool to you? The way you look and the things you say, do you expect me to believe it's true? She was quiet for a minute, then she looked at me. She said, oh now baby, I'm so sorry about that. It really made me sad to see you so jealous of where I'm at. And I said, hey now, who do you think you're fooling with that jive? Who do you think you're fooling, baby? Your story's so contrite. Well, see, it doesn't really matter just what you claim when I see you riding home downtown train. Who do you think you're fooling? Baby, you're only fooling yourself. Oh, come on, girl. It's time you came clean and told the truth for a change. You know, it's plain to everybody around you that you're lying. I don't know why you even bother trying. I said, now who do you think you're fooling? 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 Now who do you think you're fooling? Who do you think you're fooling? Who do you think you're fooling? Now who do you think you're fooling?